So I was trying to play Rainbow Six Siege. Servers are down for a particular reason. The service status as of September 19th. So Rainbow Six Siege servers are still down. What's really going on, guys? Is there any big issue? What's the maintenance schedule? When they will be going to fix it? Without further ado, let's check it out, all the details. Alright guys, so let me show you first of all the Twitter latest update what people are saying. So there are tons and tons of people reporting that Rainbow Six Siege servers are down. And here is the thing guys, Rainbow Six Siege servers are down for a particular reason as disclosed by the Ubisoft. So let me show you what the latest update is. It's down for PS4, PS5, pretty much all the platforms, and people are kind of complaining Rainbow Six Siege server seems to be down every night. So what's really going on? This is kind of a serious situation. Alright, so let me show you what Ubisoft support has to say about it. Alright, so first of all, let me show you that the service status as of September 19th. Well, here you can see PC no issues, PS4 has got unplanned outage. So there you go. This is the thing going on right here into the PS4. So now let me show you why there is an outage situation into the PlayStation 4 Rainbow Six Siege. Alright, so here you can see this is the Ubisoft support Twitter official page, and let me show you the latest update. Well, here you can see guys, 12 hours ago they have said the maintenance has been extended. This is not expected, but it will be going to end at 10:30 UTC. So maintenance is not going by the schedule and already extended for quite some time. And here you can see guys, 14 hours ago, hello drivers, please note that we are currently undergoing maintenance, which means servers will be not accessible at this time. Then here we got the latest update 3 hours ago. Make sure to read the latest patch notes for the Rainbow Six Siege. They have just dropped this new update for the Rainbow Six Siege, and this is regarding the performance improvement, bug fixes and all that. So well, what this all so this is the patch note as of right now. So there is a general performance improvement, bug fixes, and this is how it goes. Now let me show you the latest maintenance schedule. So here you can see 1 hour ago update, we are still investigating the connectivity issues with Rainbow Six Siege. Thank you for your patience and understanding. Then 3 hours ago, we are aware of this issue and working towards fixing it. So as far as the latest details goes guys, this is all we have. They are still working on to the fix, and this is kind of a crazy. Rainbow Six Siege goes down each and every night pretty much, and it's still increasing. Here you can see like 846 outage reports. Just here you can see recently 4400 outage reports. So this is not going well. Once I get any latest maintenance schedule update, I'll keep you posted. Make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe, and this is Kedar from How to Guys. See you in the next video.